Welcome to the introduction of modern crimping. With today's low price level of grain and the high oil prices, it makes good sense to feed your livestock with high quality, homegrown crimped feed. Crimping is an affordable storage method because it dispenses with the need for drying the grain. The method also takes into account your living environment. The grain is quite simply thrashed, then stored in a plastic tube or a silo, and that's all. After 2 or 3 weeks, the feed is ready for use. The crimping of feed grains is based on the lactic acid fermentation of grain. Using the method, the crops are harvested at the yellow ripening stage, which enables the use of late and high-yielding crop varieties, as well as the use of mixed crops. Storing crimped grain in a plastic tube is a new and cheap method. Tube storage makes the changeover to crimping easy because there is no need to invest in silos. It is a quick method. Once the grain is crushed, it is also stored. Even though the plastic tube is airtight, preserving agent is added to the feed. Some 2 weeks from the storage, the crimped grain is ready for feeding, and your livestock will get palatable and dust-free food. The 1.5 meter diameter and 60 meter long bag can take about 100 cubic meters, and the 2 meter bag about 200 cubic meters of crimped grain. The needed amount of plastic tubes are filled, so there's no need to worry about running out of storage space. The bag is usually made close to the feeding site. If the bag does not come full, the incompletely filled bag can be used the next autumn. Crimped grain can easily be taken from the bag during the winter too. There are 9 good reasons to join the Morska Club. You can harvest 3 weeks earlier when the nutritional value is at the highest. You can use higher yielding varieties, longer harvesting season, no drying costs, lower labor cost, 30% higher crop yield by dry weight, lesser dependency on weather, improved straw quality, palatable feed. Plastic tube storage, moreover, provides the following advantages. No need for silos or dryers. Crimped feed is stored as soon as it is crushed. Speed and ease of use.